whether you're driving your car, or making a cup of coffee on your coffee machine, or also using your computer or a smartphone. Microcontrollers are everywhere. Hello friends, this is Shubha and you're watching My Vision Classes. Well, what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is an IC that is typically used to perform a specific application. Power tools, automobile engines, control systems are good examples, but microcontrollers reach much farther than these applications. Microcontroller can essentially be seen as a computer because of the components present inside it. Mainly the CPU, the memory, system clock, and the system peripherals. Let's dive into each of these components and see how a microcontroller works. CPU is the brains of the entire system that does all the calculations or logical operations in the background, allowing your program or software to function. Memory allows the microcontroller to store the information so that it can be used at a certain time. System clock is based off an oscillator. This oscillator can be thought of as an engine without which nothing would work. You can have a brand new car, but without an engine it's useless. Oscillator speed would determine how fast your microcontroller would run, which in turn would impact certain aspects of your application such as resolution, response, and power consumption. So, moving on to system peripherals, in order to receive information from a microcontroller or in order to transmit information to a microcontroller, you will need peripherals. These peripherals are associated with a particular pin on the package, so when you want to receive certain information from a device or you want to transmit certain information to the device, you would have to connect a circuitry to the pins on the package to accomplish this. All this is made available from a tiny chip which is not bigger than the size of a pepper seed. These four basic components of a microcontroller would differentiate one type of microcontroller with other. Maybe for one application you would require the microcontroller to operate very fast, or maybe you have a lots of operation to be stored on the memory. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Please do share, like, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also for questions, please leave comments below.